HomeMade TV. If it's the first time, please go ahead and subscribe. Today I'm so excited to share this recipe with you and how I make my homemade turkey burgers. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Okay guys, so let's get cooking. If you've seen my other videos before, you would know that I basically use the same seasoning. So these are the seasoning which I'll put in the description box below that I use. So the next step in the process is breaking up the turkey and then adding the additional ingredients, which is eggs, all your additional seasoning that you desire to use. You can use mushrooms in it, onions, pepper, garlic, cheese. So go ahead and add all your desired ingredients and mix. Let's get to the fun part. So this is where you're gonna form your burgers. You scoop up maybe a tablespoon in your hand, a tablespoon and a half, and roll it into a ball. And that's it. You press on it a little bit. You don't have to do this, but as long as you roll it in a ball, automatically when you wrap them away, they will form that patty shape. So the goal is just to roll it out in a ball. And using 1 tablespoon tends to give me a nice size patty. Not too big, not too thick either. But if you desire them at a thicker, if you want them to be thicker, just use a little bit more. And this is where we need the egg to keep it all together. Alright, so I believe I got about 9, and this was about 1 pound of turkey, 1 to 2 pounds. And I got about 9 patties. Alright, so I'm about to test out one of my turkey burgers and I want you guys to see it. So I basically had it in the freezer for about 20-30 minutes just to set it. I could have fried it immediately after I made it, but I wanted it to set, and I also want the season to marinate as well. Alright, so look how pretty it is. The pot is already, the oil is already hot or warm. I feel so proud of myself. Look how beautiful they are. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and fry these. And let's see how my burgers came out. So now that I have my burgers frying, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my burger bread bun. I'm using the potato bread burger bun. Alright, so I add a little mayonnaise. I'm gonna go ahead and also add some spicy mustard and ketchup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed my burger. It was really fresh and tasty, and I could taste all the herbs that I added to it. But anyway, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you're a new viewer, and certainly let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, bye, see you later.